at 6, continuing coverage of catastrophic flooding in Jackson County. This as leaders discover 5 new breaches in the Cache River levee. Now they are asking everyone to steer clear of Highway 18 and Highway 37 as emergency crews performed another rescue on a closed-off water-covered road just yesterday. Our Maddie Sexton joins us live from Grubbs with an update on the water issues. And what are you seeing, Maddie?
Yeah, Diana, well, you can see behind me that floodwaters are still rising as the Cache River levee continues failing. And today I saw community members literally jump into deep water ditches to try to fix the problem.
It's just record levels of water. And as you can see, I am waist high. I was afraid I was going to go over my chest waiter, so I just said to heck with it.
Fighting floodwater in her socks. Mayor Candace Miller is one of several putting herself at risk to prevent evacuations.
We've not had much sleep. I'm on pins and needles right now, but I'm going to give it a heck of a shot, and we're going to turn this water.
The Cache River levee now has 5 major breaches on Willow Ditch and Weaver's Riverbank, along with countless minor holes. Miller said this field off Highway 37 was dry when she woke up this morning.
There was no water in this field at 6 o'clock this morning. We are trying to make sure all these tiles are sealed, so that way this water will flow north and I can shoot it west to divert this around town.
I know it's going north also, you know, but it'll come here first.
In the tallest pair of boots I've ever seen, Grubbs resident Micah Carson also spent the day working in the water. More than happy to jump in if it means protecting her property and loved ones.
It's a lot of hard work and blood, sweat, and tears, but all my family and friends are here, and I would hate for this town for it to go away.
The Pennington community is also at risk of catastrophic flooding, impacting homes, businesses, and families across the county. And Mayor Miller is tired of dealing with these dangers every time it rains.
I mean, this log jam is horrible, and we've got to get something done. Or we deal with this crap all the time. We need to fix it.
Nearby residents, please be aware of your surroundings and be sure to secure your property as best as you can. It's always smart to have that emergency plan in place just in case. And if you're going to listen to any advice, listen to this. If a road is closed, turn around and don't drown. Try not to test those waters. For now, live in Grubbs, Maddie Sexton, KA News.
All right, thank you, Maddie. And if you need assistance, please call Mayor Miller's office.